Hi friends! Today we're gonna cook chicken and tofu sisig. Ayan po. And these are the ingredients of our chicken tofu sisig. Let's cook. Hi! We're going to cook now our chicken and tofu sisig. I'm using the margarine. Chicken. And wait for 10 minutes na lumambot na yung chicken. We will cover it. And then the meat is done. Luto na yung ating chicken. Nilagay ko na rin yung tofu. Ayan, lalagyan na po natin ng mayonnaise na may brown sugar. Then we put the chili, green pepper, and para spicy. Now it's done, our chicken and tofu sisig. Let's eat. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy.